Hey, what's going on, Ace Appliance? Just wanted to send over a quick video showing you guys an opportunity that you might be missing out on. Um, so there are over 300 searches for appliance repair in Midland, Texas each month. Um, Now, over half of those searches are going to click right up here in the map pack. So about 150, 160 people every month are clicking one of these businesses right here in the map pack. And we didn't see you guys here, but we did notice you're right down here on the first page, which isn't a bad thing. Now, you're probably wondering who I am. My name is Sean Nelson. I run a digital marketing agency here in Midland, Texas, and we help businesses like you receive higher rankings. If you wanted to be the first company that shows up here, or if you wanted to be one of these three, we help companies just like yours reach those rankings. If that's something you might be interested in, please give me a call. My number is 432-287-7788. Again, my name is Sean Nelson. I'm with OEI Digital. Thanks for your time.